The recipe is for a special spiced carrot and lentil soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, a pinch chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 600 grams carrots, washed and coarsely grated, 140 grams split of red lentils, 11 hot vegetable stock, from a cube is fine, 125 milliliters of milk, plain yogurt and naan bread, to serve. Heat a large saucepan and dry fry 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and a pinch of chili flakes for 1 minute, or until they start to jump around the pan and release their aromas. Scoop out about half with a spoon and set aside. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 600 grams coarsely grated carrots, 140 grams split red lentils, 1 liter hot vegetable stock and 125 milliliters milk to the pan and bring to the boil. Simmer for 15 minutes until the lentils have swollen and softened. Whiz the soup with a stick blender or in a food processor until smooth, or leave it chunky if you prefer. Season to taste and finish with a dollop of plain yogurt and a sprinkling of the reserved toasted spices. Serve with warmed naan breads.